Hi, welcome. I got messages like both in a good and bad messages. I mean, some messages like they got three-digit mark going to take radio, and some I got like they regret right now because they used to watch my videos and they didn't taken that seriously that the study part. So right now, one message I got yesterday is that his regret for not studying, he feel the pain, something like that. It's really sad thing which. I told you 4 5 months back that please study, avoid social media, or you will regret later. This has really happened. I'm not talking about that part. It's all right if your rank is low. It's all right, not a big deal. Just if you can drop another year, or if you don't want, you can take whatever it is. It's all right. It's just life. You know, even in the Olympics, not everyone can get the first prize, right? Exactly like that, there is limited seat there. So if you are not prepared well, if you don't want to prepare another year, then it's all right to take anything else. That's it. That's just I want to tell you. I'm not motivating anyone to take another drop year or something like that, because it's literally not worth. That's what entire system is saying, because NBA is not that good, our system is not that good. Is that the reality of Indian scenario? And those who don't want to give up, I want to tell you that so much of other opportunities are there. Like, you can take the options, you can choose your life. Like, you can go to Germany to do PG, Portuguese there you can do PG, or UK you can do PG, or with MBBS you can really pursue your career. Like, I'll give you an example. For those who are interested in doing radiology, you're not getting enough mark, I mean rank for the radio part, and you don't have that much money for the management or the NRI. Then one thing you can do, there is a short course there for the USG course there, ultrasonography course there. In almost everywhere in India they have like a 6 month course is there. You can join, you can get a degree, then you can be a sonologist like job is there. So literally you are comparatively, when you say, it's going to be equal to a radiologist. If I tell you one more example, you will understand that. See, if you really want to become a radiologist and your rank is not good enough, then what you can do, you can do a diploma over there, in which, see, when doing a diploma, the thing is that that is a 2 years course in which you don't need to do the thesis work, you don't need to do the teaching part, you don't need to, the academic session is not there. So in which after completing you can work in directly in the private sector is so much open for the diploma people. For after completing your diploma, you can do fellowship in irrespective to your your field, your interest in field. So in which you can get a super specialized degree. Hope you understand it. Okay, I will tell you one more example that you definitely understand it. For to become a neonatologist in India, means pediatric neonatologist in India, you need to complete MBBS, you need to complete MD or the DNB, and then you need to take a DM course in neonatology. Then you can be a pediatric neonatologist, right? This is the proper channel. You can be a neonatologist without any of these things. Can you believe it? Without any of these things, means you have to take the MBBS, and then you don't need to waste like 6+ years. You can take it within 3 or 4 years. You can be a neonatologist in India. How? I'll tell you an example. Like, this is, I don't want to name it. Okay, I'll show you the degree over there. Hope you know that. If you are from Kerala, you definitely know this doctor because it's very famous over here. She completed MBBS. She did DCH, Diploma in Child Health. Okay, and then she cleared the DNB. See, DNB, Diploma in National Board of Examination, anybody can take it for the postgraduate diploma or the MDMS degree. Those who having the degree, you can apply for the DNB. You can write the exam. Anybody can write the exam. Once you clear it, you can get the DNB. That's it. And then MNAMS, that is a member of National Academy of Medical Science. That is just a qualification that you are getting if you are qualified for the DNB. Those who passed out after 1992, you are eligible to apply for that. Just a qualification thing. That's it. That is MNAMS. And then she got a PGPN in Boston University. What is PGPN? PGPN is a pediatric postgraduate pediatric nutrition. That's it. PGPN, postgraduate pediatric nutrition, which is the online course, which is free of course. Free course. Sometimes they will give you free course. Sometimes you need to pay some amount. It is just a online course. You don't need to go there or something. You can get it. So that is the Boston University PGPN. And then the last one is like IAP fellowship. IAP fellowship is like a 1 year, somewhere like a 2. It's depending on whatever thing you are doing. It's just a fellowship. They're saying writing out as a fellowship only. So altogether, how many years they'll take it after MBBS? TCH for 2 years. For the fellowship, just 1 or 2 years. And all rest of the things are just online courses. It's not that worth. So altogether, how many years it take? Like 3.5, 4 years to get a neonatologist in India. So it's all about how to make opportunity. That's just I want to tell you. Don't compromise your dream branch for anyone. That's just I want to tell you, because it will regret. You will regret later. Those who are thinking right now, you are over struggled, over seated for long hours for studies, and your mental health is not well and everything, and you want to settle somewhere with whatever the branch, you will get it. And so many people out there, the one with the clinical branches who come out and will say that why you wasting your time, why you can't take something else, something like that. I will tell you another example, then you will understand the scenario. For the NEET UG, if you are getting MBBS and you are telling to those other students that their rank is little bit lower, and they say okay, you can take BAMS or BDS or BHMS or the BNYS, even without NEET you can get an MBBS with a doctor title. Okay, then take that. How you gonna feel with that? That's it. That is the reality. You need to struggle if you really want to get into clinical. That's it. Why I'm saying that is really a regret part that you will understand. You don't understand right now. Once you get into this part, and you will understand that. I personally know a guy who completed is very near to my hometown, and he completed community medicine. He's not interested in community medicine right now. With my batch, he took that TNB in pediatrics. Currently, he is doing in Tamil Nadu somewhere. In Tamil Nadu is doing DNB because he don't interested. He's not so interested in community medicine. Even after completing the MD community medicine, he took the TNB pediatrics. This is the reality. This reality, those people will never tell you, because they are established one. They are the one who is sitting in their clinical branch, and they are saying to the students that please, those who motivating yourself, just wasting your time, just literally the NBA is bad, the struggle is bad, everything is bad. They are saying something like that. If you're really interested in that, if you really you can capable of doing that. If I'm not saying that if you don't want to be in the clinical part, I'm not forcing anyone. Okay, nobody is forcing anyone. Nobody can force anyone to change their respective field. It's all about your passion, how you going to take it, and your fire inside in it. If you really want to take clinical, you can take it. Even with your good rank, if you want to non-clinical, you can take it. See, branches are, everything is unique. It's have its own potential and everything. It's all about you, how you manage and take it. So why I am telling you that, because so much of out there, or they are literally going to settle in some branch because of some external factors and all, which is they will regret later. That's the one thing I want to tell you. I personally know almost everyone in my department is not so much interested in there. If I ask to anyone like, okay, it's all right, they get it. Most of them, why they take it, they are in the in the service sector. They are in the health sector. They don't want to work as an MBBS. They want a degree, because they got extra mark by 30% something. They will get the grace mark. So it's easy for them to get into the PG degree. So once they completed, they can work somewhere. This is the reality. So they don't have any bond service, nothing like that. So most of them in the non-clinical, they are taking because of this reason. And another people like me and others are they took it blindly. That's the reality. So this is the harsh reality of true medicine. So those who out there, I'm not not pushing you. I'm not degrading the non-clinical part. This is very good non-clinical part. I'm in non-clinical right now, and I will definitely I will give my best over there. But I'm telling you that those out there who's really want to have some dream brand, who really imagine. Yesterday I got a message like her rank is like 1 lakh 40 or something, and she want general medicine, and she is willing to take another drop. I said, yeah, just do that. If you really interested in general medicine, how she can settle somewhere in the patho or microbiology or a biochem, it's going to be, she won't be happy at, not even a single day. So if she is financially good, she don't have external pressure, then literally she can take another drop. That's it. So those who are thinking like they are getting too much of motivation for take another year or something, it's not like that. I'm not telling anyone to take another drop here, because it's current scenario in India is like that. Violence is there, job saturation is there, everything is there. It's all, but all about your passion. If you're really passionate into it, you can take it. That's it. Otherwise, it's up to your call. So this is all thing why I am telling you that, because opportunities are there. So use it. You have time. Counseling part will take another 1 or 2 weeks later. They will start it if they don't have any other obstacles. Like if students go to Supreme Court because of the second shift issue, it's really bad, that second shift issue. When they do the normalization thing, what about the shift 1 people and shift 2 people? There is so much of difference there. With the same rank, same mark, they get the different rank because of the normalization. Is this students issue that the extra questions was a little bit tough? Literally a flop thing which they are doing for the NEET UG, NEET PG. Others exams I don't want to comment, because we are living in such an era. We have to accept it. We have to go on. Even we don't get any justice for the KG Car Medical College. I don't want to talk about that, because literally it's like frustrating if the doctors are not supporting it. See what happened to our association IMSA, that Federation for the Resident Doctor Association, Florida, something like that. Nobody is raising their voice right now. All shut up and silent, and she won't get the justice. That's the reality, because this used to happen before. This is not the first case. In 2001, what happened to that case? Unsolved. Even the CBA people came up. They arrested one girl. I really, were frustrated with the one statement from one YouTuber who really said that how to trust people around us, how to get along with the men's right now. It's not possible. It's impossible to trust anyone, even her family member, something like that. I want to tell you that in 2001 the case was a female students was the suspect. The victim was a boy. So how are you going to justify that part? This is the reality. If the woman card is there, I'm not against it, but somehow when you're talking in emotional state, you should not go beyond some level, because when you are accusing everyone around you, including your family members, you need to understand that the things are not what you see. There is some issues happened that for the men by the woman in the same college in 2001. Those who don't know about the thing, you can go and search it out. But the exact status of that case right now, it is like it was a unsolved case. Even though the CBI came in and they did all thing, still unsolved. And right now the case, RJ 2024 case will be an unsolved, because so far what happened is almost like a 1 month, almost. So far nothing. Sanjay Roy, a puppet, being arrested, and he demanded like Chow Mein in the jail. Can you believe his mindset? He's not the real, the real one behind this thing. If he's the real one, he do get the regret. He do get so much of other things. But what he doing right now, he's just he owned everything like that. He's act like he's doing for someone. That's it. and he definitely will come out, because that much of, you know, malpractice being happened over there. They said it's a gang rape. They got the one person. How he do that? If he challenge the court in such a small, arguments, then he definitely will go out, because without proper evidence and everything. It's just they want it. Even though in Kerala we got a MLA person who's in charge of this kind of issue, and he is not going to resign, because the current running government said that what if he didn't do that, or it was a wrong case, something like that. So they protecting their MLA. So those who out there in Kerala who saying that if it is happen in Kerala, it won't be like this. He will immediately get arrested and everything. So what happened to this MLA? The entire government system is supporting this MLA. Exactly like that, entire system in West Bengal, the government and everything supporting the suspect and accused one. This is the reality. Okay, I don't want to go further into that case, because we all know that what will happen. No justice. That's it. So those, I just want to tell you that those who are willing to take another year, go and take it. Those who are don't want to, don't take it. That's it. Don't listen to anyone in the world. You are the one. You are the one who has to take this call, because in future, I don't want to get any blame from anyone. That's it. If anybody want to take it, take it. If you don't want to take it, don't take it. It's your call. Totally, 100% is your decision, because it's your life. You need to live the rest of your life. So don't listen to anyone. That's the one thing I want to tell you. I did a mistake, because I listened to someone. I believe that they will work for me. They will definitely will tell for my good, but it didn't. They act very selfishly. They did for themselves. Because of that, I am in here. I thought to take a clinical, but it didn't happen, because I trust someone. That's the reality. Okay, so with that, that's it.